Hello class, welcome to your learning today. Today we're going to look at 2D shapes and their properties. First, I'm going to teach you some vocabulary related to shape, and then you're going to have a go at looking at the shapes and finding their properties. The first word that I want to introduce you to is regular. If you have a regular shape, that means that all sides are the same and all angles are the same. Have a think about the name of the shapes that I am showing you that are regular. The next word that I want to show you is irregular. So this is the opposite of regular. This means that the shape can have sides of any length and angles of any size. Can you see or name what the shapes are that I am showing you? The next word that I want to show you is polygon, and this might be new to you. A polygon is a 2D shape that has 3 or more straight sides. The sides must join together to form a shape. Do you know the name of any of the polygons that I am showing you? The last new word that I want to show you is quadrilateral. Quad means 4. So a quadrilateral is a 2D shape with 4 straight sides. Can you name the quadrilaterals in front of you? Next, I'm going to show you the name of some of the shapes in front of you. Once I've shown you the name of the shape, I'm going to show you how many sides it has, how many vertices it has, and then we're going to talk about whether it has right angles or not. The first shape that I'm going to show you is an oblong rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and with 4 right angles. An oblong is a type of rectangle that has 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. An oblong rectangle has 4 vertices. Vertices are corners. They're where 2 lines meet each other. The next shape I'm going to show you is a square rectangle. So a square is a special type of rectangle. It has 4 sides that are all the same length, and it has 4 right angles. A square rectangle has 4 vertices, 4 corners. Next, we're going to look at a triangle. There are lots of different triangles that you can see in front of you, but the only type of triangle that we're going to look at today is an equilateral triangle. That's this triangle down here. So an equilateral triangle has 3 sides that are all the same length, and it has 3 angles that are the same size. They are not right angles. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 vertices, 3 corners. Next, we're going to look at a hexagon. This is a regular hexagon. A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides, but a regular hexagon has 6 sides that are all the same length, and it has 6 angles that are all the same size. They are not right angles. A hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices, 6 corners. Next, we're going to look at a pentagon. Once again, we're going to look at a regular pentagon. A pentagon is a shape with 5 straight sides. A regular pentagon has 5 straight sides that are all the same length. All of its angles are the same size, but they are not right angles. A pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices, 5 corners. Next, we're going to look at a circle. A circle has 1 curved side. That means it's not a polygon and it's not a quadrilateral. A circle has no right angles and it has no vertices. It doesn't have any corners. The last shape that I want to show you might be new. It's called a parallelogram. That's because it has two sets of parallel lines. These lines are parallel and these lines are parallel. A parallelogram does not have any right angles. It has four sides and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. It has 4 corners. For today's task at home, I want you to cut out the shapes on the sheet, stick them in your book, and then I would like you to name the shape, tell me how many sides it has, how many vertices it has, and if it has right angles or not. If you really wanted to test yourself, you could tell me whether it was regular or irregular, whether it is a polygon and or a quadrilateral, and if you want to challenge yourself even more, you could tell me if it has any parallel or perpendicular lines. Try your best, you're doing really, really well. See you soon!